welcome to the battery shop. My name is Thea. Today we're going to be working on a 2013 BMW X5. We're going to be replacing the battery, which is located right around in here. Because this is a bit more complicated, we recommend checking with the manufacturer's step-by-step instructions. That way, you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace your battery. Let's get started. We are using a memory saver to keep the computer's memories alive while replacing the battery. The first step is to remove the access panel for the battery. The next step is to remove all 5 screws from the battery tray. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver for that. Now we can remove the battery tray. The next step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable. You're going to need a 10mm wrench to do this. Next, remove the fasteners for the strap over the battery. You'll need a 13mm wrench for that. Then remove the strap. Next, open the cap and remove the nut on the positive cable block. Then loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable. You'll need a 10mm wrench for that. Use a flathead screwdriver to release the tabs on the positive cable block and set it off to the side. Next, we're going to remove the positive battery cable. You're going to need a 10mm wrench for this. And then set it off to the side. Next, remove the fastener for the battery's hold-down bracket. You'll need a 13mm wrench for that. And remove the fastener and bracket. The next step is to remove the vent tube from the side of the battery. Now we can remove the old battery. And install the replacement battery. Then reinstall the vent tube into the side of the battery. Now we can reinstall the battery's hold-down bracket and tighten the fastener. The next step is to install the battery's positive cable onto the positive terminal. Before doing so, it's a good idea to clean the terminal off with a terminal brush. But don't pound these clamps on, as this can cause internal battery damage. And tighten the fastener. Next, reinstall the positive cable block and tighten the fastener. The next step is to reinstall the strap over the battery. And tighten the fasteners. Now we can reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative terminal. And tighten the fastener. Now we can reinstall the battery tray and reinstall all 5 battery tray screws. And finally, replace the access panel. And we're done.
This vehicle requires registration when a new battery is installed. Use a registration tool to complete this process.